In this session, we will discuss of subsets. What is a subset? For example, if A and B are the two sets, if we assume that A and B are two sets, and if every member of set B is also a member of set A, then we can say that B is a subset of A. So if A is a set, this is a set, and B is also a set, and each and every member of B, if you observe, the entire circle of B is also in the circle of A. That means every member of B, all the elements exist in B, is also exist in A. So we can say that B is a subset of A. Very simple definition. Subset means is also a set, but each and every member should be from the other set, which is known as a subset. And we represent the subset with this symbol. So this is, you can find this looks like a lesser symbol, lesser than and equal. So B is subset of A. When B is subset of A, when each and every element of B also exists in the set A. So we'll see one example here so that we'll understand it easily. So let us take an example. If A is equal to some set of elements, for example, I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm having set A with elements of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I have other set which is B. Which is equal to 1, 2 and 4. I have defined other set B as 1, 2 and 4. And now if you observe the B, all the elements 1, 2 and 4, if you compare in A, it is exist in A. So 1, 2 and 4. So all elements of B are also the elements of A. So all the elements 1, 2 and 4 are the elements of A. Then we can say that yes, B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. So if we take other set C, I'm taking the other set C, which has the following elements. For example, 1, 2, 4 and 5. My set C consists 4 elements, which is 1, 2, 4 and 5. So we should, even though the number of elements in C is same as A, but if you compare the elements in C, which consists of 1, 2, 4 and 5. The element 1 is in A, element 2 is also in A, element 4 is also in A, but element 5 is not in A. If you observe A and C clearly, so we can find that all the elements of C are not in the set A. So in this case, we can say that C is not a subset of A. So we will write not with cross symbol. So if you say subset with a cross symbol, that means it is not. So we can say C is not a subset of A. Is B a subset of A? Yes, B is subset of A. Why? Because all the elements of B exist in A, but not C. Why? Because all the elements of C are not in A. So C is not a subset of A, but B is a subset of A. This is about subsets. This is about subsets. Very simple. So when you have a set A and when you have a set B, and all the elements of set B if exist in set A, then we can say that B is subset of A.